Hello and welcome to Daily English Flow. We're really happy you're here. I'm Amelia.
And I'm James. On this channel, we practice real, everyday English with simple and natural conversations.
If you enjoy learning this way, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. All right, let's get started.
So, Amelia, today feels cozy and I'm ready to chat, but I might laugh a lot because this topic is fun.
Same here, James. Today we're talking about clothes, and honestly, clothes can change my mood so fast.
Exactly. Like when you wear something comfortable, you walk differently and you feel more confident too.
True. Before clothes, quick question. How was your weekend? And please tell me there was good food.
Oh, yes, there was. I tried to cook pasta and it was tasty, but my kitchen looked like a small storm.
A pasta storm sounds dangerous, but also delicious, and I respect the effort, Chef James.
Thank you, thank you. What about you, Amelia? Did you relax or did you do something active?
I went to a little winter market with my cousin, and I bought hot tea, and I almost dropped it.
No, the tea. Did you save it or did it become a sad story with cold hands and wet shoes?
I saved it luckily, but my shoes got a bit wet, and I was like, great, now my socks will complain.
Socks always complain, and mine are very dramatic too, especially when I step in a puddle.
All right, let's move to clothes. James, what are you wearing today? And be honest if it was a fast choice.
I'm wearing a gray hoodie, dark jeans, and white sneakers, and yes, I picked them in 2 minutes.
That sounds like a classic casual outfit, and it's perfect for a podcast day when we want to feel relaxed.
Wait, you said outfit, so that means the full set together, right? Like top, bottom, and shoes as one?
Yes, exactly. An outfit is everything you wear together. And you can say, I like your outfit today.
Nice. And you, Emilio, what's your outfit today? And does it match or is it a brave experiment?
It matches, I promise. I'm wearing a plain black sweater, blue jeans, and small silver earrings for sparkle.
Plain means no pattern, right? No stripes, no flowers, just one color, and it looks clean and simple.
Yes, plain is one color, and sometimes plain clothes are my go-to choice when I don't want stress.
Go to is such a useful phrase because my go to shoes are these sneakers, even when they look tired.
Tired sneakers is funny, but I understand. Comfort is powerful, and it can win over style.
Speaking of comfort, what is your favorite piece of clothing? The one that feels like a warm hug.
I have an oversized cardigan, and it's super soft, so when I wear it, I feel safe and calm instantly.
That sounds amazing, and now I'm jealous. My favorite is a blue jacket that works in spring and autumn.
A jacket like that is gold. Does it fit well, or is it a little big, like it wants extra space for snacks?
It fits well, but I once bought a jacket online that was too small, and I couldn't move my arms at all.
Oh no, the robot arms problem. That's why I like the mall sometimes, because I can try on clothes first.
Trying on is smart because you can see if pants are too long or too short, and you can check the mirror.
Exactly, and mirrors can be honest or rude depending on the day, but they help us make better choices.
One more thing, Amelia. Do you prefer casual clothes or formal clothes? And please don't say both today.
Okay, mostly casual, but I like a nice dress for a party and then I feel fancy for 5 minutes and laugh.
5 minutes of feeling fancy is honest, and then reality comes back with flat shoes and a smile.
Exactly. Formal clothes look nice, but after some time, I just want to sit and breathe normally again.
I understand that so well because tight clothes can ruin even a good mood and a great conversation.
Yes, comfort matters a lot. By the way, do you enjoy shopping for clothes or is it a boring mission?
Honestly, it depends on my mood. Sometimes I enjoy it, but other days I just want to leave fast.
Same here. When stores are crowded, I feel tired quickly and I start seeing, okay, I'm done.
Crowded stores are stressful, and when music is loud, I forget why I came and just walk in circles.
That's funny and true. Online shopping feels easier, but sizes can be tricky and surprising.
Yes, surprises are not always good, especially when sleeves are too short, like they ran away.
Or pants are too long and then you look like you borrowed them from a very tall friend.
Exactly. That's why words like fit, tight, and loose are important when we talk about clothes.
Good point. If something's tight, it's very close to your body, and sometimes it feels uncomfortable.
And loose means it has more space, which is nice for relaxing days and big lunches, not gonna lie.
Food-friendly clothes are important. What colors do you usually wear? Bright or neutral ones?
Mostly neutral, like black, gray, and blue, because they're easy to match without thinking too much.
Neutral colors are safe, but bright colors can be fun when you want to show energy or happiness.
True, but when I wear bright colors, my friends ask, "Are you okay today?" And then we all laugh.
That's sweet though, because clothes can say something about our mood even without words.
Yes, like when I wear a hoodie, people know I want comfort and maybe a quiet day.
And when someone wears a nice coat or dress, it can mean they have a special plan or event.
Speaking of coats, winter clothes can be heavy, and sometimes I feel like a walking pillow.
A walking pillow sounds cute. Scarves, hats, and gloves add layers, but also add warmth.
Layers are important in cold weather because you can take one off when you feel too warm.
Exactly. Layering is smart. You can say, I'm wearing layers today, and people understand.
Amelia, do you care about trends or do you wear what feels right for you?
I follow trends a little, but mostly I choose what I like because confidence is better than fashion rules.
That's a great mindset, and I agree. When you feel good, your clothes look better automatically.
Yes, and clothes don't have to be expensive to look nice, which is good news for my wallet.
Same here. My wallet is smiling now. Secondhand shops can have cool clothes with stories.
I love that idea because wearing secondhand clothes feels creative and friendly to the planet.
Totally. And sometimes you find unique pieces that nobody else has, which feels special.
Special clothes can become favorites fast, especially when you have a nice memory with them.
Like a jacket you wore on a fun trip, and every time you wear it, you remember that moment.
Exactly. Clothes can hold memories, and that's why we keep some items for years.
This topic makes me smile because it's simple but very human, and everyone can relate.
I agree. And it's funny how something simple like a t shirt can remind you of a person or a place.
Yes, I have a shirt from a concert, and it's old now, but I smile every time I see it.
That's lovely. Do you keep clothes even if you don't wear them anymore just because of memories?
I do, but my closet sometimes looks angry about it, like it's saying, please let something go.
Ha ha ha. Closets have feelings too. I try to clean mine once a year, but it's always emotional.
Same here, because I say, maybe I'll wear this again, even if I didn't touch it for 2 years.
Exactly. Hope is strong. By the way, do you plan your outfit the night before or in the morning?
Morning, always morning, and sometimes I regret it when I feel rushed and change 3 times.
Oh, yes, the change 3 times moment is very real, especially before important plans.
Totally. And then you ask yourself, why is choosing clothes so hard? And you laugh at yourself.
Laughing helps. Do you think clothes are important for first impressions, or is that overrated?
I think they matter a little because they show effort, but personality becomes very important very fast.
I agree. A friendly smile is stronger than any expensive jacket or perfect pair of shoes.
Speaking of shoes, do you prefer sneakers, boots, or something more formal like dress shoes?
Sneakers all the way. I love walking a lot, and comfortable shoes save my mood and my feet.
Same here. My feet are very thankful. Boots look cool, but after hours, they feel heavy.
Yes, style can be painful sometimes, and I'm not always ready to suffer for fashion.
Honest answer. Amelia, do you have a color you never wear no matter what?
Bright yellow. It's fun on others, but on me, I feel like a walking highlighter, honestly.
That image is great. I avoid pink, not for a big reason. I just don't feel like myself.
That's fair. Wearing clothes that feel like you is very important for confidence.
Yes, when clothes feel wrong, you think about them all day, and it's very distracting.
Exactly. Instead of enjoying your day, you keep adjusting your shirt or pulling your sleeves.
Let's help our listeners a bit. What phrase can they use to ask about clothes politely?
They can say, "Where did you buy that?" Or, "I like your jacket. It looks great on you."
Compliments are nice, and they can start friendly conversations very easily.
Yes, and when someone compliments my clothes, my mood improves immediately, not gonna lie.
Same here. It feels warm and encouraging, like a small gift during the day.
One more tip. If something is cheap but good quality, you can say, "It's affordable and comfortable."
That's a useful phrase, especially when friends ask for shopping advice.
Clothes, comfort, memories, and laughs. This episode feels cozy, just like a soft sweater.
I love that comparison, and I think our listeners can learn English and relax at the same time.
I really hope so, because learning should feel friendly and calm, not stressful or scary at all.
Exactly. And everyday topics like clothes help people speak more naturally and with more confidence.
Before we finish, James, let's give one simple challenge to our listeners for today.
Good idea. Dear listeners, try to describe your outfit today in 3 sentences, even out loud.
Yes, say the colors, the feeling, and why you chose those clothes. And don't worry about mistakes.
Mistakes are part of learning, and even we make them sometimes. Then laugh and move on.
Laughing is important, and English doesn't have to be perfect to be useful and fun.
Absolutely. Amelia, I really enjoyed today's chat, and it felt natural and warm, like always.
Same here, James. I smiled a lot, and this topic reminded me to appreciate simple things.
To everyone watching, thank you for spending this time with us and practicing English together.
We hope you feel more comfortable talking about clothes and everyday life after this episode.
If you liked this conversation, remember to subscribe to Daily English Flow for more practice.
Yes, new videos are coming with new topics, friendly talks, and lots of real English.
Take care of yourselves, wear something that makes you feel good, and don't forget to smile.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time, and have a wonderful day.